Number 3. Sorting. Key functions in Python. Both list, sort, and sorted have a key parameter to specify a function. The first line of the code creates a list called colors that contains 5 string elements: magenta, red, yellow, blue, and azure. The second line of the code sorts the colors list using the sorted function. The key parameter is set to len, which is a built-in Python function that returns the length of a string. By setting key equals len, the sorted function sorts the colors list based on the length of each string element. Red length is 3, blue length is 4, length is 5. Sorted list of colors in ascending order of their length. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.